The Sun, our closest star, is a celestial body that has fascinated humanity for millennia. It's not just a blazing ball of gas in the sky. It's a dynamic, complex entity with a multitude of intriguing characteristics. In this video, we'll delve into 10 incredible facts about the Sun that will leave you in awe of this astronomical wonder. To truly appreciate the Sun's grandeur, consider this: it could accommodate more than 1 million Earths within its volume. With a diameter of about 109 times that of Earth, the Sun dominates our solar system. Its immense gravitational pull keeps the planets, including Earth, in orbit around it. The Sun's incredible brightness and heat are powered by a process known as nuclear fusion. Deep within its core, hydrogen atoms collide and fuse together, forming helium atoms. This fusion process releases an immense amount of energy in the form of light and heat. In fact, the Sun converts about 4.2 million tons of mass into energy every second. One of the Sun's most noticeable features is the presence of sunspots. These dark, cooler areas on the Sun's surface are caused by magnetic activity. Sunspots can vary in size from small dots to regions larger than Earth. They come and go in an approximately 11-year cycle, known as the solar cycle, and their appearance can affect space weather on Earth. The Sun isn't just a homogeneous sphere of gas. It's composed of distinct layers. The innermost core is where nuclear fusion occurs, producing energy. Surrounding the core is the radiative zone, through which energy slowly travels outward. The outermost layer, the photosphere, is the visible surface of the Sun that emits light and heat. Above the photosphere lies the chromosphere, and even farther out the corona, which extends into space. The Sun doesn't just emit light and heat, it also constantly releases a stream of charged particles called the solar wind. This constant flow of particles, primarily electrons and protons, extends far beyond the planets and out into the vastness of space. The solar wind plays a significant role in shaping the space environment around the Sun and influences the behavior of comets and other objects in the solar system. While the Sun is the primary driver of climate on Earth, its energy output isn't constant. Over long periods, the Sun goes through natural variations in brightness and activity. These variations can influence Earth's climate. One well-known example is the Maunder minimum, a period of decreased solar activity in the 17th century, which coincided with a cooler period known as the Little Ice Age. The northern lights, also known as the auroras, are stunning natural light displays in the polar regions. They are the result of charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere. When these particles interact with gases in the atmosphere, such as oxygen and nitrogen, they produce colorful lights in the sky. The intensity and color of the auroras depend on the type of gas and altitude of the collision. The Sun is estimated to be about 4.6 billion years old, and it's approximately halfway through its life cycle. It formed from a cloud of gas and dust and will continue to shine for several billion more years. Eventually, it will exhaust its hydrogen fuel and expand into a red giant before ultimately shedding its outer layers and becoming a white dwarf. Solar eclipses occur when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun temporarily, blocking the Sun's light. This rare celestial event has captivated humans for centuries. During a total solar eclipse, the Sun's outer atmosphere, the corona, becomes visible, revealing its wispy, ethereal beauty. Observing a total solar eclipse is an awe-inspiring experience that leaves a lasting impression. The Sun's activity can significantly impact space weather and technology, and Earth's solar flares and coronal mass ejections are powerful eruptions of energy and particles from the Sun's surface. When these events occur, they can disrupt satellites, communications, power grids, and even pose risks to astronauts in space. Scientists closely monitor the Sun's activity to predict and mitigate these potential impacts. In conclusion, the Sun is not just a life-giving source of warmth and light, it's a celestial marvel with an array of remarkable features and effects on our solar system. From its immense size and energy-producing core to its influence on Earth's climate and space weather, the Sun continues to be a source of wonder and scientific inquiry. Understanding the Sun is not only essential for our scientific knowledge, but also for our ability to navigate the challenges of space exploration and climate science. So the next time you bask in its warmth or gaze at a solar eclipse, remember the incredible facts that make the Sun a true marvel of the cosmos.